This medication is used to treat athlete's foot, a type of fungal skin infection. It helps to eliminate the redness, itching, and scaling. Naftifine is an antifungal that works by stopping the growth of fungus. This medication is meant to be used only on the skin. Make sure the area is clean and dry before applying a thin layer of the medication. Gently rub it in and wash your hands after use. Do not wrap or cover the area unless your doctor tells you to. Avoid getting the medication in your eyes, nose, mouth, or inside the vagina. If this happens, flush with plenty of water. Follow your doctor's instructions and do not use the medication more often or for longer than prescribed. Using it too much can increase the risk of side effects. Use this medication regularly at the same time each day to get the most benefit from it. Keep using the medication until the full prescribed treatment period is finished, even if your symptoms go away. Stopping too early may cause the infection to come back. If your condition lasts or gets worse, be sure to let your doctor know. If you experience mild irritation at the application site, let your doctor or pharmacist know. This medication has been prescribed to you because the benefit is greater than the risk of side effects. Most people using this medication do not have serious side effects. A serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, but seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. If you're in the U.S., call your doctor for medical advice about side effects or report them to FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, call your doctor for medical advice about side effects or report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Naftifine, make sure to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies to it or other antifungals. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other issues, so it's important to discuss this with your pharmacist. Also, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history before using this medication. If you are planning to have surgery, let your doctor or dentist know about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, only use this medication if it is clearly needed. Talk to your doctor about the possible risks and benefits. It's also not known if this drug passes into breast milk, so if you are breastfeeding, avoid applying it near the breast area and consult your doctor before continuing to breastfeed. It's important to be aware of any potential drug interactions when using Naftin gel. This can affect how your medications work and increase your risk for serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. If this medicine is swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone takes too much and experiences severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, call 911. Otherwise, contact a poison control center immediately. U.S. residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and Canada residents can call a provincial poison control center. It's important not to share this medication with anyone else. This medication is specifically prescribed for your current condition, so do not use it for any other infection without your doctor's approval. If you forget to use Naftin gel, just use it as soon as you remember. But if it's almost time for your next dose, then just skip the missed one and use the next one at your regular time. Don't use extra to make up for the missed dose. It's important to store Naftin gel topical antifungals at room temperature. Be sure to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Please do not flush this medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. When the product is expired or no longer needed, be sure to properly discard it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.